Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch characters within the Resident Evil 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Resident Evil 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will gain access to your home screen. Now, if you have already started a new game and you continue playing from within, then the game will resume from whichever point you have last played it. And if you go back into the pause menu and check within the various different settings, you will not find any option to switch your characters in the game. So this means that if you wish to switch your character, then you will need to start a new game and change your character while starting a new one. In order to do this, you can quit your current game. And now from the main menu, go ahead and click on Story. Now click on New Game, and you will now be asked which character you would like to choose. You can simply click on any character and then choose your difficulty settings in order to continue with the game. After choosing both your character as well as your difficulty setting, the game will begin right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your characters within the Resident Evil 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.